Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. How's everybody doing today? I hope everybody's doing good. As you can see, I'm in my car. I am doing a mukbang in my car. Don't tell Mr. Superfly he don't like for anybody to eat in the car. But I'm also doing a new place with you guys. So we are at Sonic's. So I got me a drink. I hope there's not going to be a lot of background noise. I am outside in there. Drive-in where you could drive in and eat. So, and I have here some box. It has onion rings, chicken. It has onion rings in there. It has chicken pieces in there. It has some bread, which I probably won't eat because I bought a cheeseburger too to eat with you guys. So, and we have some tots. Trying to decide if I should roll up my window or not. Let me roll it. I don't know what to do with my keys. Let me roll this up for just a little bit more. I have it because it's so breezy outside. You can see right here in this corner here, right there, how breezy it is outside. So I'm afraid that, well, I'll see. I'll wait. I'll see how it goes. So I have all those goodies, and I'm sorry it's a bad position. I just decided to do this. I'm on my lunch break, and I thought I'll share my lunch break with you guys. And you know what? They did not. Oh yeah, they did. I thought they didn't bring me any napkins, so I was a little bit upset. I thought, you know, I'm messy. I need my napkins. I have mustard, and I have ranch dressing for my chicken, and I'll just use this bag as a garbage bag. So I'll show you my cheeseburger. Of course, I got extra pickle on my cheeseburger. Please excuse my hair. You know, I have to have, with work, I have to have my hair pulled up. So it's going to be a big lunch. I'm not going to want to go back to work. So this is just a deluxe cheeseburger. And there's the inside. Let me know what you guys think about this. I'll try to do more in the car. The scenery is beautiful. The palm tree there is swaying around. I've actually never eaten here before. So this will be my first time with you guys. Plus with the car mukbang. The burger's actually pretty good, as you can see. I'm sorry if my phone moves a little bit because it's breezy. It's super breezy outside, so set that box over there. And I thought, who better than to share my lunch with than with you guys? I took a little bit of video of the menu for people that maybe don't have Sonics. I don't know if it will show up. I won't know until I go home and edit. So if I do, I'll put it in right here. Okay, everybody, I am at Sonic's. And if it didn't, I'm sorry. At first I was worried that it didn't look like they gave me any napkins. You know, a sister needs napkins. So, there you go, another close-up. I hope the lighting's okay too. I'm sorry. I tried to park in a more shaded where it won't be so bright, because it's kind of like a little drive-in area. I made sure I skipped breakfast. So I come have a big lunch with you guys. It's actually beautiful. Outside it's not too hot. It's nice and breezy. In the summertime, it'd just be too hot to do this. I was hungry. I am so hungry. So I have ranch and I have honey mustard. I'm gonna try to open it. This is kind of hard to eat in the car too, especially when you're a messy person like me. I got a little ledge there for my thing, my little garbage bag here. Boy, if Nikki only knew that I was here and having all this good stuff without her, she'd be so mad at me, really, honestly. So, the burger is good. But the bread I'm not going to eat because I just had that burger with you guys. But here's kind of a close-up. You can't really see everything, but the onion rings look so good. I asked for ketchup too, but I didn't get that neither. So. And it's funny because it kind of have a sweet taste to it. Must be a sweet onion. It has kind of like a sweet taste to it. Kind of don't like that part too much, but they're good. You press a button. For those that don't, I know people that have it know how it works, but if you don't, you press a button, you place your order. I placed my order and I thought, oh, I forgot to say ketchup and I want a little bit of salt. Sorry, my hair is just the wind and so I pressed it to go call back for them to bring me the other stuff. And they didn't do it. I'm sorry. I know this is a horrible angle. I hope you guys can still enjoy this video anyway. So got some tater tots. I'm going to dip it in the honey mustard since I don't have any ketchup. Oh. It's an ambulance. Here's a piece of chicken. Dipping it in some ranch. I'll show you the bread. It's just plain old bread, I believe. So, I'm sorry, I know you guys can't see this so well. If you guys want me to do more, I'll do more, but let me know. This is my first time, so don't be too hard on me. We're doing this, so. I didn't even know where to set my phone. And now that I'm looking at it, I can see you guys are a little bit crooked, but it's just such a bad area to set it at. I'm sorry. My shirt all messed up. Boy. Oh well. You guys know I'm a mess. So, nothing to hide, right? It's a nice piece of chicken. So I'm going to try it with the honey mustard now. Sorry. I hate that when it happens when you have soda and it seems to... They're pretty good. I like for you guys to be able to see the food better, but that doesn't look like it's going to happen. Would have loved some ketchup for these though. I don't want to call back for that though. The tater tots are pretty good. They call them tots, I think. Pretty good. I think everything came to about $10, which I think is kind of expensive for lunch, but then I did buy extra to eat with you guys. I don't usually buy that much. And the drink was separate. The drink itself was $2, so. It's on a busy road, so I know you guys can probably hear the cars too. What if can you hear the wind blowing? I think I like McDonald's honey mustard much better. That was a nice car. I don't know what kind of car it was, but it was nice. A nice sporty looking car. These are pretty good. I'm gonna go home, say hi to Nikki, and I'm gonna see her smelling. She's gonna be able to smell that I went out somewhere without her, and she's not gonna be happy about it. She's so funny. If you try to sneak something and try to sneak it so she don't get any, she'll come right up to your mouth and she'll be sniffing at your mouth. She knows you got something. Well, actually, that's kind of stupid because I have to go back to work, so she's not going to smell it out. For some reason, I'm thinking I'm going home, but I'm not. I must be wishful thinking. I actually have to go back to work. I'm only on lunch break. I don't know. I'm so tired. Yeah, but like if you have something to eat at home, and she's so funny. She's right on top of everything. Can't think of any better way to set this up. Maybe next time I'll try it more over here, but then the steering wheel's in the way, so I hope my pants are gonna not get greasy. The bottom of this thing's a little greasy and I have it resting on my leg. So there's quite a few tots in there. Big truck, guys, sorry. Watch for it. There it goes. I was thinking I was the only one here, but there's a couple people parked. So, I'm not the only one. I'm just watching because there's a man coming this way. Oops, I just moved you guys, sorry. I'll move you back. I have you plugged in too because my phone was, there's a guy. I was telling you about, he's walking by now. But, I mean, he wasn't doing anything wrong. I still just like to keep a little eye on what's going on around. It's pretty busy out on the street. Here's my other onion ring. Look at there. Doesn't that look pretty? The only thing about it, it almost tastes a little too sweet to me. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. When I'm done, I'm going to have to go out and brush my clothes off because this stuff is messy. The thing about parking here in versus drive-thru, you gotta leave a tip too. I should have checked for my ketchup before I tipped. Made her go back first. Oh, my husband's gonna kill me if I make a mess in the car. He really will. So if you don't see me, you know what happened. I hear another rescue vehicle. I can feel my car moving. I hope it doesn't mess up my sound and get into the sound. If it does, I'm sorry. This video is going up either way. It being my first video in the car and my first Sonic, I don't want to not do it. When I first got here, it took me a long time to read over the menu. Wish I had got here at breakfast time because they had good deals for breakfast. Well, actually, no, they have breakfast all day long, but because they say they do both all day long. The difference was you got a cheaper price till 10 o'clock. So if you come after 10, you don't get the good deals for the breakfast stuff and the drinks. But they do, like here I saw on their sign, they have like half price shakes after 8 p.m. and different things. So you do get other deals. This is pretty far from my house, but I don't think I'd have a problem picking it up and taking it home. I think it'd be okay. It'll just be cold. But this is even a little ways from my work, but I drove here. I get an hour break. If I'm a little bit later, I don't care. My boss does, but I don't care. So, I don't know if I gave you guys a close-up of the tot or not. So even if this video is bad, please give me a thumbs up and like the video. If you're not subscribed, subscribe, because this is my first time doing the car one. I don't think in most of the car videos I saw that they could really show their food either. I mean, it's almost impossible, really. Well, no, I guess not impossible, but I'm sure there's ways to figure it out. But when you're in a hurry going to work, you just don't think about stuff like that. Well, guys, this is going to be my last bite. There's really not much that left. I'll show you. My bread and a few tots in there. So, set that aside. Boy, I got crumbs all over me. So, I really enjoyed having my lunch with you guys. I hope you enjoyed having lunch with me. And the pretty palm tree blowing in the back. I think that's pretty, even though you can't see all of it, but thirsty. If you guys, oh, sorry. When I put a drink back, it does it. If you guys want me to do another one, let me know. I'll be more than happy to. Mr. Superfly won't be happy about it, but I'll do it. So let me know. Leave your comment below if you want me to do some more car mukbangs. They won't be that often because it really is hard to eat in the car, but I will do them for you guys. And I hope you enjoyed this Sonic video. And I think I'll do Sonic again, but I'll do it at home where I have a little bit more control of the thing. So I love you guys very much. Have a wonderful day or wonderful evening, depending on where you are. And I'll talk to you guys later, okay? Bye-bye, everybody.